Top places to visit in California, USA. California, USA, offers a diverse range of attractions and destinations. Here are some popular places to visit in the state. Yosemite National Park, known for its stunning granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoia trees. Yosemite is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit for nature lovers. San Francisco, famous for the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and its historic cable cars. San Francisco is a vibrant city with a rich cultural scene. Los Angeles, home to Hollywood, Los Angeles attracts visitors with its entertainment industry. Iconic landmarks like the Hollywood sign, and beautiful beaches like Santa Monica and Venice. San Diego, with its beautiful weather, San Diego offers attractions like the San Diego Zoo, Balboa Park, and miles of pristine beaches. Napa Valley, a world-renowned wine region, Napa Valley is a paradise for wine. Enthusiasts, featuring picturesque vineyards and Tahoe, straddling the border between California and Nevada, Lake Tahoe is a stunning alpine lake surrounded by mountains, offering outdoor activities year-round. Big Sur, this rugged stretch of coastline along Highway 1 boasts breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, dramatic cliffs, and redwood forests. Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, these neighboring parks are known for their giant sequoia trees, including the General Sherman tree, the largest tree on Earth by volume. Joshua Tree National Park, famous for its unique landscapes, Joshua Tree National Park is characterized by its namesake Joshua trees, rock formations, and stargazing opportunities. Disneyland Resort, located in Anaheim, Disneyland is a world-famous theme park that offers magical experiences for visitors of all ages. Santa Barbara, known for its Spanish architecture, beautiful beaches, and upscale dining, Santa Barbara is a charming coastal city. Mont and Carmel by the Sea, these neighboring coastal towns offer stunning scenery, the famous 17-mile drive, and the renowned Monterey Bay Aquarium. Death Valley National Park, one of the hottest places on Earth, Death Valley features unique desert landscapes, salt flats, and Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America. Palm Springs, famous for its mid-century modern architecture, golf courses, and hot springs. Palm Springs is a popular desert retreat. Redwood National and State Parks, home to some of the world's tallest trees, the Redwood Parks offer a magical experience in the midst of ancient forests. These are just a few highlights, and California has much more to offer depending on your interests and preferences. Whether you're into outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, or urban exploration, California has something for everyone. Please let us know where you would like to go and what kind of information you want. We will strive to create videos and vlogs on those topics. Visit our sites newbeginning.com and mynewbeginning.com, our digital empires that have given us the financial freedom to pursue our travel dreams